Good morning, my dear students. Now, today we would like to the end part of our this third module, that is data scientist. We know scientist is a person, is a well-versed, knowledgeable person. So, see what is meant by data scientist. Who is a data scientist? Data scientist is normally associated with an employee or a business intelligence. As we know, BI, business intelligence, who consult or consultant. It may be an employee or a business intelligence, in artificial intelligence, or a consultant who excel, who will versed or expertise in analyzing the data for what? To help a business gain in a competitive edge or to aim competitive advantages. That is called a data scientist. The process done by this data scientist is called this process. So, data scientist must process a combination of analytics, machine learning, data mining, and statistical skill as well as experience with algorithm and coding, cleaning, mining, drawing conclusion, interpretations, communications, etc. etc. So, from these, it is very clear what is meant by who is a data scientist and what are the process or what are the duties of data scientist. Clear. Then see what are the role of data scientist in our business. We are particularly discussing all these things in a business, particularly in business and in society in general. Okay. Data scientists can help companies and management of the organization for solving complex problems using their expertise and their conclusions. Some of the benefits of data scientist or role of data scientist, let us discuss here. First one, empowering management to make a better decision. We all know that an organization can take competitive decisions or a crucial decision with the light of this processed information. So this is done by this data scientist. So through this, an organization can empower that decision. An experienced data scientist is likely to be a trusted advisor and a strategic partner to the organization. Data scientists can communicate and demonstrate the value of the institution's data to facilitate improved decision-making process across the entire organization. Next one, directing action based on trends. We know trends. We are showing some trends to take some decisions. So we can direct our course of action based on our trends. Data scientist examines and explore the organization data, after which they recommended and prescribe certain action or course of action that will help improve organization decisions and performance. The next one, challenging the staff to adopt best practices. It's very crucial responsibility of a data scientist to ensure that the employees are very, very familiar and well versed with the organization analytic products. They prepare the staff for success with the demonstration of the effective use of the system to extract insight and drive actions. So they can take this opportunity with the help of a well-versed data scientist. The next very important one, that is identifying opportunities. We know we can make profit from opportunities. A data scientist can help to identify the opportunities of the business based on the data or information given by the respondent. Their job requires them to continuously and constantly improve the value that is derived from the organization data. The next one, that is decision making with quantifiable data. That means there is no need to take high risk in data gathering and analyzing from various sources with the arrival of data scientist. Data scientist can create model using existing data and that can be reproduce a variety of potential actions. It's another important role of these scientists. The next, testing the decisions. We all know we have taken a lot of decisions, but after that we may feel some frustrations. So we can test our decision in the real situations based on these informations or tools with the help of these data scientists. Primary role of data scientist involve making certain decisions and implementing those changes. However, this is not an end itself. It is also important to know that these decisions have affected in the organizations. This testing is possible. The next one that is very important, identification and refining the target audience. It's a very important one that is refining and redefining. Most companies will have at least one source of customer data that is being collected. But if the collected data is not used properly, the data is not useful and become a waste, an utter waste. So what we have to do, the importance of data scientist is based on the ability to take existing data that is not necessarily useful on its own and combine it with other data points to generate insight an organization can use, learn more about its customers and audience. This is possible with the help of these data scientists. Otherwise, we are collecting some data, it may be waste, it may not be useful for the organization. So, and data scientists can combine and draw some conclusions. Getting the next one, that is recruiting the right talent, personality in our organization. Recruitment is a very, very crucial process of an organization depending upon the nature of the organization. We know the process of recruiting people has dramatically changed due to big data. So what we have to do? Data scientists, data science can work their way through all these data points to find the candidate who is the best person, who is the fit person, who is the apt person in an organization. Vast sources they have, like social media, corporate database, and other job search websites, etc., etc. They can search and identify and pick up most suitable person to an organization. So these are the important role of data scientist in a business particular. Clear. The next to see very recent origin concept, that is artificial intelligence. It is recently origin and it is very, very common to all. In fact, artificial intelligence is embedding itself in each and every aspects of our life. We are all saying the artificial interest. We are all very, very talkative about the artificial intelligence. Even the airports are now being equipped with the state-art or advanced security check system. So an artificial intelligence is an example of artificial intelligence. Machines are assisting us, they complete that task better than humans. Now we are seeing these situations in our China for diagnosing corona diseases. They are using artificial intelligence instead of human doctors. Clear? So see, what are the benefits of artificial intelligence in e-business or electronic business. So let us discuss what are the benefits of AI. Artificial intelligence is applicable in almost all area of our day-to-day life, not only in business, in health, in business, in governing, or in administration, a lot of area. See what are the benefits in e-business. E-business is basically all about generating sales. So how it can help? First one, that improve the sales forecasting. Artificial intelligence is used in making sales forecast. It helps in analyzing huge volume of data, and on that basis they offers useful insights or torch or lights about the customer buying behavior. Then we can forecast our sales during the next 3 or 4 months or a year or a period or next coming years. Clear. The next one, supervisor services affordable costs. You know, all these terms are self-explanatory. An automated routine process, thus offering personalized marketing options. We know this supervisor role can be replaced with artificial intelligence. So this helps to reduce the cost of supervising. Clear. We know various examples which are used in e-business for artificial intelligence. Chatbots, CRM is an example. Customer relationship management is a very good example for artificial use of artificial intelligence in e-commerce. Chatbot is another examples which is used in e-business. Is a next one, Internet of Things. This we are discussing in our previous classes. Internet of Things, IoT. So these are the important examples of AI or artificial intelligence which are used in e-business. The next important benefit that enhances customer satisfaction. How it enhances customer satisfaction? Offering great customer services, basically real-time and human-like interaction between client and messenger or voice chat. This is done by making use of automated intelligent services. This is possible right now. So this will enhance the customer satisfaction and promote the sales. We are all experiencing these things. Suppose we are booking, automatically we will get a receipt, we will get a message from the company or a corporate or entity. Thank you for registering or thank you for like that. Some response may be there. We are satisfied with them. So that is another important one. The next, personalized content. AI technology offer any business a huge competitive edge regardless to its size of the organization. So this allows the user to pick up any item in any picture online and then ask to come up with similar things by making use of image. Clear. Companies such as Google has come up with the visual search capabilities, and giants like Amazon are now majorly into voice activated systems such as Echo. Clear. This is an example. It's a personalized content. The next one, artificial intelligence in marketing. So we are all experienced. Social medias are used for marketing. Facebook, Twitter. Twitter is professionally using applications. Then many WhatsApp is using. Many softwares or apps or social medias are used for marketing. The small scale firm can give their marketing campaigns to AI powered platform which is handle marketing operations across different channels, YouTube, Facebook, etc. So that is the next one, that is customer services. It is the key to success. Customer service is the end result or key to success, and artificial intelligence helps to follow an excellent customer service with the perfect manner. It helps to focus on what is important. Artificial intelligence that helps to present brilliant customer services. So these are all the important benefits to e-business while we are applying artificial intelligence in business. Next, we can see what is meant by intelligent agent and features of intelligent agent. We know an intelligent agent is a software program that supports a user with accomplishment of some task or activity by collecting information automatically over the internet and communicating data with other agents depending on the algorithm or the program. Is a software. An intelligent agent is a software. It's a program that supports the user with accomplishment of some task or some activity. How? By collecting information automatically over the internet. Their collected information, needed information over the internet. It's automatically process. And communicating data with others or other agent depending upon the data we are fed. That is algorithm or program. So that is called the intelligent agent. See, what are the characteristics of intelligent agents? There are mainly three or four dimensions to these intelligent agent. Three dimensions, that is agency, intelligence, and mobility. This is commonly called three dimensions of intelligent agent: agency, intelligent, and mobility. Okay, then see what are the features of intelligent agent. First important feature of or characteristics of intelligent agent is mobility. Mobility means intelligent agent engaged in e-business or e-commerce travel from computer to computer across different system architecture and platform from greater information until such parameters are exhausted. That is called the mobility. The next, goal oriented. That means it has the ability to accept user statement of the goals and carry out a task delegated to it. That is goal oriented. It's an ability to accept the user statement of the goals and carry out the task delegated. The next one, independent. Artificial or intelligent agent is independent. They're functioning on its own without human interventions and must have the ability to make decision and to initiate action without directing human supervision. That is important. The next one, reduced net traffic. This is a problem now we are facing. Intelligent agent can communicate and cooperate with other agent quickly. This is enable them to perform task very smooth and speedy. So it reduces net traffic. Okay, network traffic or net traffic. The next, multiple tasks can be done by using intelligent agent. They can perform multiple tasks simultaneously. Okay, these are all the important features of intelligent agent. Now we can see intelligent agent in e-commerce. How can? First one, identification. Next one, brokering. Third one, negotiation. And fourth one, payment and delivery. And the last one, product, service, and evaluation. These are all the important intelligent agent in e-commerce. First one, that is identification. Commonly, this can be say that role of agent in different stages of buying behavior models. First one, that is identification. Identification means it's a stage of buying behavior characterizes the buying becoming aware of a particular product or unmet needed by inspiring through product information. Intelligent agent can play a significant role for those purchases that are repetitive, that is supplies, or predictable. Okay, that is called identification stage. The next, brokering. There are two types of brokering: product brokering and merchant brokering. Product brokering means once a buyer has recognized and identified a requirement to make a purchase, the buyer has to determine what to buy through a critical evaluation of available product information. First stage, we induced a person. Then second one, that is once it is recognized, then buyer has to determine what to buy through critical evaluation of available product information. There are several agent systems at lower customers or consumers such cost when deciding which product best meet their needs. So in merchant brokering stage combines the consideration sets from the various or previous stages which merchant specific alternative to help determine who to buy from. This is the very most crucial thing that helps to determine who to buy it from. Okay, the next third one, that is negotiation. In this stage, this is the important stage as far as an intelligent agent is considered. In this stage, buying behavior or price and other terms of the transactions are settled between merchant and buyer. Clear? The most of business to business transactions contain this negotiation. Almost B2B business are doing the same. The next one, payment and delivery. That is the last but one. This stage can either indicate the end of the negotiation stage or cause to place an order. In some situations, present payment or delivery options can affect the product and merchant brokering. Then the last one, that is delivery and after sale service. That is product service and evaluation. The post purchase stage, product service, customer service, after evaluation from the customer and taking feedback and providing good, better customer service. That is commonly we can call it as a customer retention. So these are all the important 5 stages. It can be recognized the role of agent as a mediator in e-commerce. Clear. Now we can see what are the advantages and disadvantages of intelligent agent in e-commerce. First one, advantages. It is easy for shopping. As far as a buyer is concerned, it is very easy. Taking down some specifications and returning with recommendations of purchase which meet those specifications. Identification of stores and brand comparisons. So also now we are using some Amazons or Flipkart. We are identifying some products, something, and we are considered it, and we are go for some comparison, and after that we will take a decision. Clear. Intelligent agent can be sent by BAT to identify stores, brand, products, categories, etc. The next, make comparison. The next, cost. Intelligent agents reduces e-commerce cost and make web shopping more transparent. We are all doing. Then a representative for representative of seller. That means intelligent agent can act as a representative of salesperson by providing product or services and sales advisors. Clear. The next, relationship. An intelligent agent help in business organization in electronic environment to gain intelligence on the market to create ultimate relationship with each and every customer. They have an ability to negotiate with and learn from buyer agent. So these are all the advantages of intelligent agent. So what are the disadvantages? It's not free from all. First one, stealing data and illegal access. We are all facing this problem even now. Web agent may try to get access to database they are not permitted to access or for which there is an access charges. That is stealing data or illegal access. Then free use of resources, another important disadvantages. They try to steal resources from remote hosts. As long as this is which accepted protocol, it's an acceptable practice. Even though if agent cover up all these alternative process, they may use insupportable level of resources. Then unauthorized program execution. That is Trojan horse. It is commonly called it as Trojan horse. It means unauthorized use of the program. Then some attackers are using this process, website attacking. The next, data stripping or data alteration, or university may some of the persons are using these techniques. Technically, it is possible to strip. Strip means alter which web agent of their data. This is mostly a concern of the websites. Okay. The next, deceitful agent behavior. Deceitful agent behavior means an agent can mislead other agent or host about their intent or intention and can lie about transaction. This is called deceitful agent behavior. So these are all the disadvantages and advantages of intelligent agents. So that's all about intelligent agent and artificial intelligence. So by these words, let us conclude this module here. I here I would like to give an assignment that is ethical and legal issues in business analytics. We are dealing two or three classes regarding business analytics and applications, etc., etc. So I here give an assignment to write up ethical or code of conduct and legal issues. What are the problems as a legal issues in business analytics while we are applying this business analytical in our present business scenario? What are the legal issues and what are the ethical problems? You have to write it and submit it through Google Classroom. Thank you to all. By this let us conclude our third module. Thank you.